Hello everyone, today we're excited to unbox the upcoming KingKong Power Rugged smartphone by CUBOT. But before we get started, we'd like to inform you that the CUBOT is currently running a giveaway for 10 units of the new KingKong Power model, which will have a global launch on May 10th. To enter the giveaway, simply click on the link below and follow the instructions. The more entries you make, the higher your chances of winning. Additionally, you can add KingKong Power to your cart to be notified and get this smartphone at a better price. We include CUBOT official links below this video, so be sure to check them out. And now, without further ado, let's proceed with the unboxing.